Yeah, make sure to bring Purell with you because long drop toilets. That's right, we're back to that life. This is it. Comfortable as out here. Got our own swimming pool, ensuite bathroom, friggin' Netflix. I'm hit the road. By swimming pool, by kitchen, by salon with the shag carpet. Very 70s. Oh, look at that. Is that a fantail or a wagtail? Never noticed that. Detail, get it? Saying goodbye to our home of 3 months out here in the Rockingham suburb of Perth. It is the 1st of March. Ling and I are beginning our 3-week-ish road trip around the southwest coast of Western Australia. And we're just gonna follow the coast all the way to Esperance and then circle back to Perth and make a heap of stops along the way. We're gonna make a stopover in the town of Bunbury and take some selfies with the meth heads. Bye, shithole house.
This really beat up neighborhood called Coolangatta.
Bye. Here we are at Lake Clifton, about to look at some strombolites and thrombolites, these calcium carbonate fossil features.
See the big spider?
No. Did you bring Purell because it's a long drop toilet? Geographically being in New Zealand and Australia, we're situated in an ideal location to see the southern lights, the Aurora Australis. Just a couple of nights ago, man, was the activity strong. Actually, at this exact location here in Clifton Lake, you could see the lights. They looked magnificent. Even my cousin, who's all the way out in Dunedin, the South Island of New Zealand, sent us photos. Looked fantastic. And we just always miss it. I don't keep my finger on the pulse when it comes to stuff like this. So I always find out after when I see the photos surface on the internet. So you can take this one, my Nike hat.
You could probably fit your head and like a whole fist in there.
Put this bloody hat on.
It's so big on you.
But it protects my neck. My black neck. I hate the back of Wesley Snipes' neck. Was that what? Oh, it was Forrest Whitaker's neck. Thrombolites. One of the oldest fossils on planet Earth.
On planet Earth?
Yeah. The earliest.
That's probably,
one of the earliest,
actually.
That's
why I wanted to come here then. I probably read that somewhere and was like, oh, that seems kind of significant, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Significant.
You look at it and you're just like, they're just rocks. Those are thrombolites. Back in the car, onwards to Bunbury, Slumbury, Coffeebury.
Scientists this week about how we handing over their credit card details and passwords, whatever it is.
Enjoying your corn?
To this evening.
You haven't said a word in like 10 minutes.
I don't need caffeine to keep me awake, I just need something to fixate on. So these individual corns, this will last me a good while. This will keep me awake.
Yes, this is scary.
You could like express. He's flipped the corn around.
When you drive down this highway, there are speed cameras that calculate the average speed, I guess, of all the cars going by. So it's not a speed camera, it's an average speed camera. Average speed camera.
You're holding it like a chicken leg.
Done. I could just chuck this out the window at the car next to me. It's biodegradable.
No.
It'll grow a cornfield.
No.
Imagine I hit this hillux right now. Let's chuck it out. Knock the hillux. Get the hillux right in the windshield. Take that hillux. I got all this corn juice on my hand.
I have napkins for that.
Ooh, Macca's napkins. Always comes in handy.
Yep.
I wasn't eating corn. I wasn't eating corn. I wasn't eating corn. I wasn't eating corn. I got corn on my crotch. There's like yellow things. I wasn't eating corn. Ling needs her coffee, so that's what we're gonna do. Get her coffee.
Oh my god.
Ling's got her coffee. We've got our sausage rolls and curry pies, and we saw one meth head asking for $2. So yeah, we're about ready to go. Get in the car and head to the beach. I see a sausage. Here you go.
A sausage? Oh, that's not. Oh. The cheese sausage wasn't in front of this.
You got a pig in a blanket, mate?
Yeah, what the hell?
Watch your legs. Just say, just on the roule. Okay, so we've got the lighthouse over there,
Like, oh my God.
and check out the view. You've got two competing e-scooter companies here. You got Bird, good old Birds. Yeah, they operate in Canada, our nation's capital, and of course the best e-scooter company in the world, Beam. Gotta love those purple bastards. I probably brought those ones in from Rockingham. You never know. Boy, it is hot today. There's actually a heat wave sweeping through Australia this week. 37, 38 yesterday, and I think it's more or less going to be the same today. Well, there you have it. It's a lighthouse. When you've seen one, you've kind of seen them all.
That's cool. It's checkered. Checkered.
It's like a checkered dildo.
Uh-huh.
Breaking the speed limit. Breaking the sound barrier, I should say. Breaking the sound barrier. We're gonna try to find a nice shaded area to have our lunch, and they can have her pig in a blanket. Hey. Highly recommended bakery owned by some Vietnamese. First review I read was a steak pie that has actual steak in it.
It's not a hot dog, it's an actual sausage.
So the review that said they got a steak pie with actual steak in it, well, guess what? There's no actual steak in it. To me, steak is chunks, actual chunks of meat. This is a mince pie. It's probably ground beef. It's definitely not what I would call steak. Still delicious, but again, when you buy a steak pie, you expect steak. Still good though. Some futuristic looking lookout tower. This looks like the idea of what people in the 80s considered futuristic.
All the concrete.
They're like, we know what the future's gonna look like, and it looks like that guy. Been driving all day, so I need to get some exercise in. One more set to go. Those love locks. There you go. Jonsi, ti amo. Still there.
The side, hold the side all the way down.
Really? Don't be the reason why they have to put up a sign saying do not climb.
Oh, I just ate a steak pie too. This is not what you want to do right after having that party ass pie.
Oh.
I gave Ling the keys and look, now she's gonna drive off. Go! Drive off with the car, Ling. You don't wanna go?
No.
Okay.
Why did you get down here so fast?
Because I thought you were gonna drive away.
Did you run down the stairs?
No.
Oh.
I briskly walked.
Did you panic?
No. I just saw the reverse lights go on and I'm like, is she actually gonna drive? The real reason we came to Bunbury. Whee! Yo! Oh, my phone! Oh shoot, we're high up. That was not my slipper, that was my phone. My phone. Go, squeeze through. It's the only shortcut we have. There you go.
I felt
Did it.
and butt.
Alright, so meth heads, check. Zip line, lighthouse, lookout tower. I think that just about ticks all the boxes here in Bunbury. It's time to continue onwards to Bustleton.